Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Sorry, not here. On above, you will search about Pinterest like this and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your